Guidejar is like having an AI tutorial wizard. Just use its Chrome extension or desktop app to record your process, from clicks to scrolls, and it instantly turns that into a step-by-step visual guide. No video editing, no voiceovers needed, unless you want them, and even then, AI handles it. Key features that shine overlay icons or short animations as each feature is described. Here's why Guidejar stands out: step-by-step and interactive demos. Provide linear guides or let users interact with your demos. Guidejar.com +1 AI voiceovers and translation. Add natural-sounding voiceovers or translate your content in one click. Guidejar.com, top AI tools, conditional branching, and chapters. Guide users down different paths and organize content cleanly. Embed anywhere plus help. Widget, seamlessly drop guides into websites, Notion, or your own help center. Guidejar.com +1, analytics plus SEO friendly. See who views your guides or index them for search engines easily. Guidejar.com CO-Fi on camera. Conversational tone. Want to train your team once instead of hundreds of times? Done. Reduce support tickets? Done. Create sales walkthroughs that actually convert? Done. Imagine turning all that content into self-service magic without the hassle. Want figures? Users say it's cut onboarding time and reduced manual tutorials dramatically. One reviewer called it a tool that saved me countless hours in video tutorials. Guidejar.com. Ready to stop repeating yourself and start automating? Click the exclusive link in the description. Try Guidejar for free. Create up to 5 guides instantly and start turning your workflows into polished interactive demos.